What's the meaning of bassoonist? Bassoonist. Bassoonist.
Bassoonist. Bassoonist. A bassoonist is a musician who plays the bassoon, a woodwind instrument that is known for its distinct tone and range. The bassoonist typically produces sound by blowing air through a reed, which then vibrates against the mouthpiece to create the musical note. This skilled musician must possess the ability to control their breath and use various techniques to produce different tones and styles of playing. A bassoonist is commonly found in symphony orchestras, concert bands, and other musical groups where a low-pitched, resonant sound is desired. As with any musician, the bassoonist's dedication and practice are crucial to their success and ability to perform at a professional level.